How to see who likes you on Badoo for free. So let's start with it. First of all, open your Badoo application, and then here you can see people you wanna swipe or like. If you like that person, just tap on heart, and if you don't, then tap on cross. And you may also chat with the person by going on chat. Just keep swiping and you may add that person, start talking with each other. But how can you see who likes you on Badoo for free? So what you can do is when you tap on the heart icon and if that person also likes you, then both of your accounts will match. You won't get the option like you like this person or you rejected this person. If both of you have liked each other, you'll get to see that your accounts have matched, which means both of you have liked each other. So to see who have liked you, you can go to the liked option at the middle. Here you'll get the notification which person has liked you, and that way you can find if that person has liked you on this application, on this dating application or not. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe.